How to turn on Samsung phone without power button. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look for a quick method on how we can turn on our phone without any power button. So let's begin with the video without any further delay. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe. So there are some methods that you need to follow. So I'm just gonna tell you briefly on how you can do it. So first thing is rebooting the phone in a fast boot mode. So you can see these instructions here. What you can do is just put your Android phone in a fast boot mode. In this mode that your computer will recognize your device and allow you to communicate with it. And you can do that just by pressing and holding down the volume up and volume down keys for a few seconds together, and you'll see options on your screen confirming that you're in a fast boot mode. After that, I want you to download and install ABD. I want you to download and install ADB drivers on your Windows PC. What you can do is just after putting your phone in fast boot mode, you can prepare Windows or PC to work with your smartphone. You can do this by using a tool called Android Debug Bridge. Just download that tool, and this tool will allow you to issue both ADB and fastboot commands to your phone. To use this tool, you need to first install ADB drivers on your PC. You can just see this interface on your screen. You may just tap on download drivers. After that, launch the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the required drivers. Just scroll down, and here on the step 3, you need to run a fastboot command to turn on the phone. You can see this interface here. You can see this downloads SDK platform tool for Windows. Just tap on that and extract files from the downloaded archive folder and open the platform tools folder. And there you should be able to find adb.exe and fastboot.exe in this folder. Copy the current folder's path and File Explorer's address bar. After that, launch Windows Search and type command prompt and run as administrator. After that, type the following command, replying path with the full path to the ADB folder, and then press enter. That makes the ADB folder working directly in command prompt. And now to turn on your Android phone using fastboot, just follow the command in your command prompt, and your phone will exit fastboot mode and start powering on in normal mode. So just follow the methods that I just told you, and you should be able to restart your phone or turn on your phone using fastboot method without using a power button. So therefore, by following these methods, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.